All right, you guys. So we are going to be looking at word problems. So we've spent all this time working with rational expressions and rational equations. And now, how do we put that into a word problem and solve it? Okay. All right. So your assignment this time is going to be on Kuta Works. And the nice thing about it is that it very much follows a pattern. So I'm only going to do two examples and then you're going to be ready to go. All right, it says working alone, Mark can weed a garden in 14 minutes. I do not know how to pronounce that other person's name. We'll say Ab can weed the same garden in 11 minutes. Find how long it would take them if they worked together. All right, so for our example, okay, so we know Mark can weed a garden in 14 minutes. Now look how I write it 1/14. Ab can weed the same garden in 11 minutes. So 1/11. Okay. If they were to work together, so notice I put plus, how long would it take them? 1 over x. All right. So this is how you're going to set up each problem. Okay. Because you have to realize when they're working together, they're working at their speed, and their speed is a little bit different for each of them. Okay. So this is going to be the speed of them working together, which is then once we solve it, it's going to tell us how much time it's going to take them. All right, so now here we've got 14, we've got 11, and we've got x, and we need a common denominator. Well, if this has 14 and this has x, this one needs x, and we have to figure out what the least common multiple of 14 and 11 is. So if I go to my graphing calculator, I go to math. If I need help, I go to the LCM, 14 comma 11. Okay, so 154x. So my common denominator for this problem is 154x. So I need to multiply each term by that problem. All right, I am going to show the work. So 154x times 1 over 14 plus 154x times 1 over 11 equals 154x times 1 over x. All right, so now I need to figure out what 154 divided by 14 is. 4 divided by 14, well, that equals 11. 154 divided by 11, well, that equals 14. Okay, and I'm sorry, this should say 154x. The x's here eliminate. Okay, so this happens for a reason. Okay, and you'll see that in the next problem. So here I'm left with 11x plus 14x equals 154. So notice now I have a nice clean equation. So 11x plus 14x. So I have 25x equals 154. Divide both sides by 25. So I get x equals 6.16. Okay. If you get any denominator that is larger than rounded to a hundredth, you're going to have to round to two decimal places because that's what round to a hundredth means. Okay. So our answer choice here would be 6.16 minutes. Okay. All right. So I will come back with another problem. But if you notice, okay, this is a pattern that's going to happen each time with how things cancel and how you're going to set up the problem. Okay. All right. Good luck, you guys.